What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect the OBS Studio or the Streamlabs with the YouTube Live. So in order to do that, just go ahead to the settings, and in the settings, you will see a stream option. So in the stream option, you guys can either go with the Streamlabs official ID, or here you will see your YouTube. So if you want to change the YouTube channel, like I have already connected it, you will see that there will be a login option. Just click on that and you will be able to log in. Now, after that, you want to stream it on the YouTube. So for that, just go to the output option. In the output, you will see the streaming option over here. Select the bitrate. 4500 suits best for like 1080p and 60 frames. And I use that 288 bitrate for the audio. They are very good. And encoder software X264 that doesn't take much of the CPU usage. So that's the whole story. And over here at the bottom, you will see there's a go live option right now. If I go ahead and click on that, it will go live on my YouTube channel. So this is how you guys can set it up for the YouTube. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.